What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, when I usually bring you pre-sales, a lot of the pre-sales are about popularity around the project rather than really about utility. There are some that really hover around the utility side, and you know that when it comes to long term, when it comes to innovation, right, that's what it's all about is utility. So I'm bringing a project to you today that is a different type of project that is more towards that utility side, which honestly, it always seems like cryptocurrency projects and creators and developers are innovating so much. They're changing things up to where you're like, all right, this has the most transactions per second. You're never going to beat that. And all of a sudden, boom, something else comes along. You have a ton of transactions per second. You have a different model completely compared to other things that are out there. And it just looks and feels phenomenal. Now, obviously, with a pre-sale, you don't really have true like examples to go through rather than it being live, and you can go through all of the different transactions and test it yourself and all that stuff. Obviously it's been tested, but just not in front of my eyes and me doing it, right? That's always a different feeling. But we're going to bring a project across your desk as well as across my desk that I think is going to be great. And in this video, I'm just going to let you know that I'm buying about $500 worth in this video. So if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Make sure you guys listen. Just because I said I'm buying something, I don't want you guys to just go and buy it before I even get through the video. I want you to listen to the video, see what it's all about, see if you like it, and then also do your own research before you decide to buy it. Don't just buy it and pause the video because I said I was going to buy it. But if you want to check out the links for Solana VM down below, feel free to check out those links because it does look really, really interesting. So let's go ahead and dive into this project really quick. So Solana VM, the first EVM compatible L2 for Solana. Now you can buy, it's currently in pre-sale at the moment. They've raised over $1 million, $1.2 million here, and you have 1 day and 7 hours to buy, Solana VM now. So 1 million to $200,000 here. If you wanted to go ahead and check this out, again, I'm going to go ahead and buy this here today, and we're going to go through the rest of it just to show you guys. But I wanted to show you how easy it is to purchase it, and you can purchase with BNB. You can purchase on many other chains as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be, Solana. It doesn't have to be Ethereum, right? You can buy with Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to enter the amount, which will be not 50. It'll be somewhere around $500. You know what? Let's buy one BNB worth, which is $700 worth of Solana VM, which will get me about 75,000. You know what? Let's bring it up to 1.2, maybe 1.3, 1.4. I'm trying to get to over 100,000 Solana VM. So it's going to be 1.4 BNB that I'm purchasing. And if you don't know, BNB is around $700 at the time of recording this video. So I'm going to go ahead and buy now. Transacting. Going through the transaction is going to be on about $900 or $1,000 worth. And we're going to confirm that transaction, and I will have officially purchased Solana VM during this video, just to kind of break all this down for you guys. Obviously, may go through a longer transaction because of the fact that it's BSC rather than Solana, but I can add my referral link. If you guys want to use my referral link, feel free to check out my link down below. I can start staking it as well. Feel free to check that out. It's coming soon. So, deploy existing Ethereum dApps on Solana and with minimal code changes, experience unparalleled speed and scalability with the Solana VM. Staking. Staking offers SVM token holders the chance to contribute their digital assets to support blockchain operations by staking their SVM tokens. Holders can earn rewards while retaining ownership of their assets. And that is coming soon. Solana VM is bringing 68 billion value EVM apps or dApps to Solana with their EVM compatible L2 blockchain, a more inclusive DeFi ecosystem by removing the barriers of slow speeds and higher fees. Solana VM opens the door for wider adoption and innovation within DeFi. What is Solana VM? That's a good question. Solana VM is your gateway to a fully compatible Ethereum environment on Solana blockchain. Solana VM unlocks the potential for scalability, for Solidity and Viper-based dApps to harness the advantages of Solana's network. And you can see here the 2009 Bitcoin digital P2P medium of exchange. And then you have 2015 Ethereum smart contracts, and you have Solana 2020 parallel processing. Solana has capitalized the spotlight as a pioneering blockchain for the next generation, credited with expansive scalability and a groundbreaking performance profile capable of processing thousands of transactions per second at negligible costs. At the heart of Solana's technological prowess is its execution environment, the Solana virtual machine, encompassing the C-level parallelization engine. So breaking this down a little bit better, multi-thread runtime. It basically has a multi-thread runtime to where you can process multiple transactions in a second. At the same time. Solana is architected as a multi-threaded runtime environment uniquely designed to process multiple transactions simultaneously by utilizing all available cores of a validator's machine. This advanced capability allows Solana to scale efficiently in line with technological advancements in validator hardware. Just to give you a little bit of understanding and to break that down a little bit better, right? A simpler term or simpler way of understanding it, if you are more of a visual person, transactions per second on Ethereum maybe 100, Solana will be 1,500, Binance Smart Chain 1,600, but Solana VM will be 5,000 transactions, up to 5,000 transactions per second. Transaction fee will be less than a penny, while you also see Solana as less than a penny and Binance Smart Chain around 15 cents. Ethereum could be $1. It could also be $900, right? I've tried to trade $900 worth of Ethereum before, and it told me that it was going to cost $930 to send my $900. It was going to cost me more than what I was putting up in order to send that. So I obviously didn't send it at that time, depending what the gas fees are. And obviously, the gas fees have gotten a lot better, but they're still way higher than what you would have there. Tokenomics for Solana VM, you have 8 billion total supply, right? Because you have million, you have 8 billion total supply, 15% to presale, 15% to CEX and DEX liquidity. You have 15% to the team, 10% to the community incentives, 15% to marketing, and 30% to treasury and ecosystem growth there. So they're looking to further the growth with it. They do have an audit as well. If you want to go into that, explore their roadmap. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. They even go into step 5 here in Q1 of 2025. If you guys want to, dive into that a little bit more, ask questions, feel free to get a full breakdown of exactly what that is and where that comes from. If you look at their Twitter account, they're also seeing 13.2K followers here, so they do have some popularity as well. So again, this is one of those pre-sales that honestly could completely change your dynamic of how you invest, right? Maybe you're stuck in a buy high, sell low type of situation, which would suck because you're not gaining as much money. However, this could be your chance to turn things around here, because this does provide utility as well as looking at the growth in popularity and providing a pre-sale, which would be beginning stages of what this could be. So honestly very, very interested in it. That's why you saw me buy $1,000 worth. But I want you guys to go and check it out for yourself, right? There's a lot more information that you guys can go into. And that's what's interesting about plays like this, right? When you have a meme coin play or something that's just based on popularity, it's all about what that is and the growth of it early stages and how that can develop into more CEXs and all that stuff. Yes, while this is looking at CEX listings and has CEXs ready to go, you're also looking at the growth of what this can do and how people can utilize, SVM for, just standard practices. And being able to see up to 5,000 transactions per second is a game changer. So make sure you guys go and check out a lot of that. Make sure you check out my referral link down below if you guys are interested in it. But again, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.